What will be time? What will be time? That be a question when you say you go ask me the time now. UDUOTA time. The time when we say now the time for the heart of the matter. Welcome to the program, UDUOTA. When we say yes, we call heart of the matter. My name is Thomas Sado. Like you know how they do before. I talk once and all the time. I go to talk them again. That man talk and say, if you want, you get the mind to find the heart of ant. You go feel one. If you put your eye for ground, where you open the heart. The ant, you will see the ant inside. No matter how the thing small reach, you must see them. You get big matter when you want to take that kind eye until they find the heart of ant till they look today. That is the matter when you say you consign the wahala. I will call them wahala now. Okay, the one you say you consign local government then for River State and all the many picking the one you say you come born. That the matter when you say you want to look today. And we get one person when you say you know say he has sharp for this kind of matter. Let me go call and come and talk to us, our brother and friend, Andrew Bello Esquire. Welcome to our program.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure being here.
I don't say before, so you know they speak grammar. I will not go school.
I go try.
Because the truth is, now when we say go school, I speak grammar, I like they speak. But all the same, the situation for River State now, where we say it concerns say the soil people in, we not go greed, abilities, and say we not go greed, and we must remain. So say no, now our turn to do there. And all that. What the thing very sure you say you did? How you take react to that?
Well, nothing of shame to see say something where it's supposed to be clear, it's supposed to be like white and black. You can't be like say
because you many
nobody knows as it be again.
Okay.
You can't be like say some go see na red, some see na yellow. They get as it be. Okay. It's unfortunate, but now the way our politicians they take behave over time and our judiciary they never show say they never show strong will to take the discipline of our politicians. Because our politicians, they behave like, sometimes they behave like children. And when you tell someone behave like children, you treat the person like children. Sometimes, even in the village setting those days, when adults behave like small pikin, they go see flogging like small pikin sometimes. So, our politicians, on this matter, they don't behave well at all. Okay. A lot of, if you see what they have for River State, it be like, where small children for the play. We go carry fight, go there. This group will carry your own set, another group will carry your own set. It's a place of what is it they call self-help. Who get power pass, now you win. You don't pass that stage. The reason for law is so that when person will get power, they overuse the power above where in power reach. Law will limit us. Say no, that your power you want you so leave them for that place.
So why come see the law if they limit them again?
Because of, like I talked just now, our judiciary over time is very unfortunate. They never showed themselves, say, they get that strong will, that force to take they do the work what they're supposed to do. They flog politicians, if politicians misbehave. Anytime matter involve politicians, the way our judges they do, it will be like they will be like what because they give food, where they never at times the way they take do it. They give the impression say these people are judges because recently I see for TV when judges of court of appeal for that matter, they go back to shake hands with Minister of FCT Abuja, Wike, who is a politician. And over time, a very senior judge with where he get respect over those days, Nikitobi Doctor can say, there is no connection between politicians and judges. Okay. They are part, no they cross.
But you just maybe just a congratulation for something.
No, during the opening of the I think in Lego year they opened. There was an opening. I think it's
maybe the Lego year. The FCT minister go there, go up there, open the Lego year.
Yes, when
they command, nothing.
The way it is done,
okay.
The judges remain in their seat. They are respected. They are revered. That's the language they use. Say they like you know when you say how they revered. Be like person will be say,
na king.
You king, na king. You know they go near her. You give him his respect. That's how judge is supposed to be. The politicians, if you want to greet the judge, you bow. When you bow, you greet her. Even if you have been made classmate before. I get classmates when they don't appoint as judges. If I see them, I bow. I forget, say, when we see for outside, one-on-one with the greeter. But in the public function, where people dey, where cameras dey, I go bow for them. I go give them their respect because that office where they occupy. Not be what picking own. They occupy.
Okay, now the office, now they really respect. Not be the person.
Not be the person, now the office. Okay. The person, once you just say, now judge this person be judge of record for that state high court and above high court and above judge now this person be he get respect when it's supposed to make you give that person supposed to give himself too because now what the person give himself they give her if you be judge you they go they chop they shake hand they chop with politicians they go see you finish so you have to also give yourself that respect so over time I don't think say our judges don't stand their ground.
Anyway, now the institution won't be like say you belong to. If you person like you can't come and come, they talk like this. So now what you want to see so that we go fit push ahead, because many people they fear talk and say, no, now my play be this, or my territory be this, so make I protect her, make anything not happen to them. But you see the one when BC say if they for the River State now, when Governor Simi Fubara can remove the local government, 23 local government chairman when we say did their time don't finish. You know, before they break, we don't go here on the 17th of the month of June. Boys already go there early in the morning, say nobody go enter inside office and the rest. People when they try to enter, they drive, them come out and that kind of thing. Now the road was supposed to pass, now be that one.
And no be so at all. You see that what I talk just now be that say when people were supposed to regulate, people were supposed to get power. Behave like they don't get power, they don't regulate, then everybody will begin misbehave for house. Now so it be if Papa day house, he get what's supposed to talk, take control children. Children talk and see children they misbehave, keep quiet. Sometimes you will see some kind of things. Like what happened for River State. It was very sad. When I did look them for even days before leading to that takeover. They already the flex muscle, the flex shoulder. This one, the local government chairman. I listened to one of the local government chairman. He said if anybody come there, they will use security agents to bring the person down. Nobody should go there. If they make threats, they make boasts. I said, in a democracy, this is not military. This is not agberoism. This is a democracy that is control. Where law they control. Now law they control democracy. Not be you, not be me, not be who get power pass. Now law, what is law talk? What is the right for people? Now they control democracy. Okay. So in River State, when we come down to what happened there, the way it's supposed to take be is that if your tenure finish, everybody get tenure when you take swearing in. Most times, when we don't see what we see for many governors here, many governors in Nigeria, when they just come in, they're not going to allow the former local government finish their tenure. They will say they don't dissolve all the local government. It's common with many of the governors. We don't see them before. But when Governor Siminalayi Fubara come, he do as gentleman. He no sack the local government where he meet. He no drive them, say, as I become governor today, una no lawyer again, I don't drive una. We even see some video over time, months ago and weeks ago, where some local government chairman, they talk to Fubara like they be their mate. Like their mate they talk to. So even they insult and they call. Maybe some senior now for age. So even they call her name, they call her small boy. If you senior somebody now, you talk to her and say no be your nobody mate, they call him boss name. Nobody they talk to him boss name. Now they talk publicly. Because you talk and say they talk to her like a mate. Before now, in any other state, there's no get any other state will for see local government chairman. In another state as I did this, we had the group come. So come and say local government chairman, they challenge a governor for face. They call her name. I never see her. She said there's the bomb. This now only this River State will not see her. So. And it is strange, and like I told just now they come. Now waiting not supposed to be. Now it can't go be so. Waiting not supposed to be. Okay, but if you look at now, this person did not agree come out because of the law, the amendment of the law according to them by the House of Assembly. Thank you very much. You understand? So they are my people there, the one we say the leader speaker. He said they already before today, they already passed and said they get 6 months to stay after that time. So they don't do anything against the law now. Now let me ask you, since where you did so, we did here together when Obasanjo, the first president under this Fourth Republic, after he finished his second term, he go back to Senate, say maybe they amend the law, make him fit contest third term. You remember? I did with you. They wanted to do it, they later shelved the idea. They planned that, but they later dropped the idea. Now, when that idea of third term was dropped, nobody talking again. For this country, nobody ever go back to issue of third term again for this country. Now that kind of thing, now these people won't do so. This local government chairman, they won't do so. Your tenure don't expire. Instead of stepping down, even if you won't contest again, assuming the law allow you to contest again, you must first step down first. You go first come up for that chair, go house, go sit down for house. You go come contest election, assuming the law allow you. But rather than doing that, what they can't do? They go to House of Assembly, say House of Assembly, give me extension. What it means is that a governor, a president, can go to the Senate and say, give me extension.
But would they hear say the law agree like that?
No, the law no agree like that. They amend them. They can't go amend.
Section 7 of the Constitution say yes.
No.
Mr. President say if they fear extend time for them and the rest of that.
No.
About 6 months.
Wait, there'll be in a times of emergency.
Okay.
The president under state of emergency, they get emergency rule that give president power to stay for 6 months and all of that. That's not president and that's not emergency rules. He gets his own rules. It's not for local government. No, local government no did that place where they talk so.
Okay.
Local government was not mentioned there at all. Now, where there is an emergency, maybe Nigeria they fight war, it's not possible to conduct election. There is a reason why election cannot be conducted. Then the law give room for 6 months of extension for president and governors. Not be for local government to no go where no such no the no go put on there. Now local government under section 7, it said the system of local government by democratically elected local government council is under this constitution guaranteed. Then you go further to talk say the states they shall ensure that the local government they enjoy their tenure and all of that, how their money they get their money both from state and federation. You talk on there. You also go further to talk about how they conduct their election into.
But one of that thing, what would be say we go look now. They say in government, no vacuum.
No vacuum.
Eh? Okay, it's the 3 or the time when this is supposed to be off. When now 2 years, now 10 years, now 3 years. You say the time already elapsed.
Yes.
Now, they say they won't stay behind,
yes, or
they give them time according to the House because of say they never conduct the local government election when we say did there. So and if you say no vacuum, did there and the rest. So we just cut the command over the rule the place.
Thank you very much. This Rivers State will be the first state in Nigeria where local government tenure expire. More no be I say it's the first state where local government they expire virtually all the states in Nigeria. It's like it has become a norm, even though not a bad norm, even though not be better norm, but it don't become a norm for Nigeria. Say we go wait, maybe local government tenure expire. Governors go just deliberately wait. I don't know why. It has become like that. Okay. They go sit down and wait. When the tenure of that local government don't expire, they'll come put caretaker committee or they put a head of service, may take over. For the time being, until they'll come put their house in order, come conduct election.
According to the law,
yes.
Because you know law,
yes,
so to speak. According to the law,
yes,
he's supposed to hand over, give this local, what do you call it just now?
Head of service
or local caretaker committee.
Yes.
He did there, say yes, he's supposed to hand over.
He no did there, it's unconstitutional.
Okay.
I talk just now. When I read this 7, there's nothing like that there.
Okay.
It is system by democratic elected government, 9 days inside constitution. But what they tell you here and now, you see, what everybody don't they do? Even if you know they law sometimes, they look, I say they look at until we will be a part of practice and custom until we are able to form a law that punish it. Maybe when they come and make the constitution, they'll say, okay, anybody who do like this, do the punishment where go to her. If you don't reach like that, maybe they'll stop her. But for now, it is a common practice with all the many states. I also say, many states, we they see her every day. Tenure of local government will expire. The state government they no go plan down. They go deliberately, they go sleep over the matter. When the tenure will expire, they'll set up critical committee while they are not planning election. It's not a good thing, not be good thing, but it dey happen. But we no pretend say na only Rivers State, na Fubara do am. No. Na wetin Fubara meet, na they do so.
Okay.
The weekend where dey before Fubara, where still the with Fubara get this issue, where come dey lead to all these things. So when himself come as governor, the local government chairman where Amechi put, where they just enter for Amechi time, he sack all of them. He no wait when their tenure expire. That one no was past this one. He drive their come for office. He no wait for their tenure to expire. He conduct your own election, put your own people. So if we can, make when they look something the way it be, they take step to take change. As it don't be like this now, so say this one don't happen. See, to me, Fubara, they try to be a gentleman, though. In politics, you know, we feel gentle finish. You get where you go gentle reach, you get where you go see for.
But if we look at it, whether the gentility of the man or be what they talk about now, they talk about the law.
Yes.
You don't understand. They only see gentleman for law, or they see ruffian for law,
yes,
that kind of thing. But what they be say, according to you, everything is subject to the law.
Yes.
And the law, and be say they guide all of us. That means say, yes, see, the people that want to say they still don't go come out for office, they do wrong. When we say that they don't
expire.
Okay. The people that want to say they can't go swear in now. So you both say 200, not make it right.
Make
so where the rights come there for here now?
Make I explain something to you. Now, when their tenure expire, they go back to House of Assembly. Say House of Assembly, make una extend the tenure for us.
Because the man not going to do election.
Because the man not do election according to them. Now that provision.
But not be House of Assembly, not be in.
Put them there before.
Wait first, not be the House of Assembly, not be the make law for the state.
Nah,
so once they do it like this,
now they make that law self of local government, law where they.
So if now they make the distance, they see extend that too, so they don't do anything bad.
Wait, make I tell you something.
Are they listen?
Now, if you make law, they say because there's a tenure. The word tenure, it means where you feel stay rich. If our tenure for years, we sit down on this table, so now 1 hour. That 1 hour now we go feel stay rich. We don't feel on our 1 hour, we sit down here. We come stay remain here. They ask for extension, no. We go step down first. Then we go come.
If they do and they go now, then people, if they do one program, they go. Maybe program one, say you pay for, like commercial program now. Because they do wait now, say they do live program for television now. Maybe if I pay for 1 hour, you can look at it, they switch you, I think they work out, they go say, I'm add that 1 hour, Jonah.
That one, you go back to the procedure, you go apply for procedure. You know, just sit down for where you sit down, so just the extend that by yourself. You have to go back to management, go apply. Say management. I beg.
So now the management they still go apply
no,
to. So
they didn't go to the appropriate.
Who be the management now?
They went to House of Assembly. House of Assembly passed. Sim Fubara no pass. Rather, Sim Fubara go to court and declare that those people. People don't forget. Say na too bad they there. Those people were even extend now. So there is a court ruling or interlocutory order that say there no be members of that house. As at the time they made this extension. At the time they passed this extension, so there was an order restraining them from performing as members of that house. We could not forget that. So all those things, now then call carry, rush, go court of appeal, say court of appeal, stop Fubara from stopping this from driving, ending this local government tenure. Since we don't extend their tenure, we don't do this, we don't do that. Stop court of appeal say no. Say the matter is still ongoing at the trial court. They should allow the trial court to do its job one. Then the court of appeal on its own part also refused all those their applications. They made the application to stop the other 4 members of the house who are on the governor's side. The other members, the other members who are the government side, made them stop them from conducting themselves, parading themselves at the House of Assembly, made them stop them from saying they don't restrain them. The court no grant those ones. The court no grant all those others. So the court haven't not granted, whether not they grant that order. So it means say for now, those orders, those things remain as they are. That extension when they do that time is not valid by law because it's not recognized. So if the extension they do is not recognized, then which power those local government chairmen can they sit down there say they no go come out that day?
Okay, if they look at me, because the other when we say they talk, not say it is in a grammar, get where they try the confused person. You talk and now say the other members of the house. Because we hear say about 21 or 20 members of the house, they can't come up for that political party, or court say they're not this, it's illegal. You understand? So you can't remain only about 3 members or 4 members when you say you call now. Those 4 members, now they get the right to just say they bring a new list of people come. They screen them. No. When they screen them now, they can't pass them. Only under some hours, when they pass them, they swear them in. So I want to find out those 3 now, who they can they represent. Okay. But because if I don't make mistake, they say before a house go fit sit, they must form quorum.
Thank you.
You understand? So who these 3 when we say they how can't they form quorum now?
Thank you first. Now 2 questions you asked, we could not miss them together. Now firstly you say they swear some people in. Whether all those thank you. If now as critical committee, then that has been the practice. No be River State starter. No be Sikubara starter.
We know they talk. Wait, I want to quickly clear something. We know they talk about that one. Which are they try to talk now? Be say because one is wrong.
Yes.
Yes. Because the thing say they don't do one before. You don't make a right.
You never make a right.
So
because we never get alternative. We go see the one like that first.
But the constitution don't agree to that.
And now let me put it like this. Make I put that the way you get that differently. Assume now, say these people tenure don't expire lawfully. But we agree first, say their tenure don't expire lawfully. Now vacancy can't do that place. And the law does not allow vacancy. The law no go fit keep quiet, make government property they destroy, government money they lost. Because people tenure don't expire. Somebody must sit down for that seat first. The manager first.
According to the law.
Now be caretaker committee.
No, according to the law.
That was the creation of exigency.
No, I dey ask now, according to the law.
It is created by emergency, a situation where we say vacancy don't dey, how we won't do it. Now you take starter.
So which means say, so maybe the governor now, maybe he do wrong now by not conducting election because he know the time of this person, he know when he go take end and when they go take
because of the crisis
so which means say, no, we don't go talk say yes because of crisis where they state. Like say he comes and say, okay, let's do it. Because how would they talk now? The person will be say they in charge for the state, River State Independent Electoral Commissioner, the RESEC for there. He don't talk and now say, what they say they don't they make plans. They never put date now say they want to do meeting by next week. All political leaders they will be say they for there. All political party may they be part of her. All the journalists, all the chairman, everything may they come. All the candidates may they come. So they want to do bring timetable out for the conduct of election. Okay. So by application now, we know where the people to war ends. Okay. And now we don't even decide to do so. So what can happen, they don't do answers then. You say because of say this thing. So if not because of the crisis, if the crisis is not still there now, when people say they go ahead, they do it.
Make I ask you another question.
Okay. I mean they ask question here.
Okay, make I answer this way. See, when everybody, we operate by law, not just law, laws also they cover customs and practice. Okay. When we talk of law, we talk of customs and practice. As I come this place now, it not be everything that they write for law for me. It gets somewhere I see say that they do normally. I see people they do. I'll say, myself, I need to also do this thing. Me, I take respect them. It not be everything must be law. It not be every word go dey law. Some day will be custom. When law not cover, custom will cover.
Okay, so the custom cover.
So the custom over time that governors have been operating. Not be only symbol. I don't talk about many times.
Which is wrong.
Which is a very wrong one. And the court don't frown at her. The court don't talk, say no, it's never they do it. But they still they do it. We don't see her every day. Because we do, all of us were there, so we know, say, no be only symbol don't do it. Critical committee, they don't make her. And it's a bad one. We agree. But it don't deal with us. But it's better than the alternative. Which will be the alternative? The alternative be say, people when their tenure don't expire, they go still remain for that chair. They see they operate that office. Under which power they continue to operate that office? Okay. It's just like a governor when just like when Amechi Wike win that election against Amechi person where Amechi be one make a takeover there. Then Amechi can say he no go there for the swearing, he no go there for the handover. But Amechi no fit to say because he no go there for handover, he no go they don't swear Wike in. He go hold the seat, he no go come out. He no talk so now. When the day reach to do swearing in, Amechi peacefully left the place. He knows they go the swearing in, but he knows sit down for chair, block them, say anybody will quiet today, we will kill ourselves. He not do so. He stay away peacefully because he knows he intend or don't expire. Because to give that power to that local government. Now, precedent you they create, so say if your tenure expire, no come out. Once you don't start her, one governor go do it tomorrow. The day one governor go do it, we go be a joke for our eye. You know, we allow peaceful election for his state. They go do gaga. Election no go hold for that state. The governor go say, well, since election no fit hold for this state, I want hold power first continuously. It don't start. Before you know, it will reach up, it will reach presidency. So, waiting we know say no good. Make we know let her start at all. Okay. So the technical committee still better pass the alternative, even though no be good one, but it's better pass the alternative.
It better pass. So between two devils now.
You have to first choose the one where you deal with us.
Okay, but you never answer the one be say concern say the people when be say screen them. 3 people just come screen people at the same time, pass and
yeah, you're talking about the quorum. Now let me make I explain what that quorum be. Quorum of the member of the house that are legitimate at that time. At the time when they swear these people in as members of House of Assembly, all of them were legitimate. Take, for example, 24 members in those states. They are legitimate at that day of swearing in. If for any reason of legal, maybe by any of the provisions of the law, 20 out of that 24 can't lose their seats, or they no can't be qualified. It not going to mean say that state go can't deal without House of Assembly. No. The 4 people who are still members, who are still lawful members,
or 3 won't be
who are still lawful members, they go to hold that office first. They go to operator, pending when they decide whether the law court decide whether they will conduct fresh election into this 20-something people office, or if they will return them back to the house. If the court, assuming the court of appeal decide tomorrow after the whole matter, decide, then they go to Supreme Court too. Supreme Court can't decide, say no, these people they are still lawful members of the house, return them back. If the court don't talk, so don't make that order, they will all come back and operate their seats fully. But for now, there are judgments here and there to the effect say they no be members. This one I say they be members and they don't be members. So that matter still dey court, it still dey pending. So make you no come allow say because of these 4 people, 20 people, we no do anything for River State. River State, make we just sit down, make we wait for them till if not 4 years, then we'll come. No, we know the law no allow us to do so. The 4 wey dey there go dey do one first. Till those 20 go settle their self. Make they go settle their case. When they don't settle their case, they will come back or they conduct fresh election to
people
their
people they talk and now say it get the way be say the matter take dey be for there because we don't know wetin dey happen because when we look at we can say in there for Abuja or say don't know wetin dey happen for there. You don't understand? Then people come to say the black this now the voice of
Esau and
the hand of Jacob. Now be say we dey see and that kind of a thing. But the governor himself can't go far again. The people when we say they protest, all those youths, they when we say they go, they seal up the places and that kind of thing. Say make anybody not touch the supporter, so if anybody touches the supporter, he must control him and all of that. You know, if you say all this one and wait till they feel they fuel the whole matter, the more.
You see, this fight, when fight don't take for granted, they no settle one. So many things when people talk, they'll talk. That's why when fight they start, they quick settle one. Come up for that's why they will quick settle one. Make the other things no come out.
When quarrel is decided, hold the quarrel before to fight.
Before it to fight.
Okay.
Now we they reach for River State matter. River State they don't too play with the crisis where they there. Okay. That crisis they for settle one early. And we get to quickly learn something. Say, you know, girl, you do and reach. Pikin must grow past the papa. It's normal. If na the plan of life that say, Pikin, if you born out today, go day here small. After a while, you go come grow past the papa. You can see the dream.
Even more papa, they even praise me.
Make it better pass. So you know if you hold your Pikin hand, say, my Pikin, you know if you pass this place, so you can here you must reach. You can't do it forever. You can only do it when it's small. And in fact, governorship office, na 4-year tenure it be. So it has a very short infancy stage. Within 3 months, the person don't learn. Maybe even a month. Depending on how it don't take for government teach. It don't grow. And once it don't grow, you know if you hold your hand again, because you tell her where you want to pass, you don't go to pass. Now in the app for River State, if you listen to some of the people where they River State, not be wicked now, those where they fight with SIM for their state, those former commissioners, former House of Assembly members, the former local government chairmen. So if you listen to some of them, they will still tell you, say, their leader now Wike. The person don't tell you, say, now Wike, say, now call fight to, but they tell you, say, now Wike be our leader, what we know. We don't know SIM no be our leader. So by that statement, they tell you so, saying that the hand of Esau and the voice of Jacob, now we they see. So for me, what I go played with all parties involved, where they did. May they do like what our papa for you do, Shomole for you do. Forget waiting the apple for your state when you don't go national. Try come out eye for your state. Try come out eye. Be elder statesman for your state. If you come as elder statesman. No come there as a participant again. Leave whatever they happen there. No come become active participant. Make you be elder statesman. When you come, you go call like papa. And if you call like papa, they go respect you as papa. But if you still come there, they follow boys, they do what the boys they do. They go still treat you as boy. Now what they have for River State?
IGP Egbotokum. They come out now and say make everybody, make police, make they go stay for all the
House of Assembly.
The local government. Make anybody no enter there and all of that. They no enter there, say no go make it say they enter there. Until when we say the matter when we say there for court, they dispense with them. Then the man himself, when be the governor there, Fubara, they say me they know what anywhere they beat they feel they operate for there.
Yes.
You can get one guy for this office. Anyway, we say you go carry fire, go give even on top of motor, you go sign her. You understand that kind of thing. How we go take resolve all of this matter? Because with all this one, we say they work out, they go. Let's say the matter is never ready to end at all.
Now let me see a space where you just go. So you see the one time when they do something, when they forget the far-reaching consequence. Because when these people they fight, now the grass is suffer. Local government get function where they perform for the people. Okay. That function now they don't survive for corner because there are functions listed in this constitution here where local government is supposed to perform for people. Now we don't survive all those functions for corner. With the fight.
But the committee members,
committee
members, they go take care of them now.
If
no, so you talk.
Now let me explain to you where critical committee no fit do. Critical committee can collect revenue, do revenue, share revenue, pay salary. Yes. What about me now, I won't go do my local government authority. I go to my local government.
Oh, did they say civil servant they see there now?
They say you say not be now you say police say make nobody enter there, make they seal up the place.
No,
by the time you seal up the place, lock the gate, civil servant no go fit enter. Okay. Now the man who come from village like me now, as a law student when I be the time where I did law school then. There's more collect local government authority.
And your place now for this matter now River State.
You see, now River State I come from, and I need this thing. The one they will give us for law school that time, they maybe a week or two. Now be your notice where they give you. Make this for me this thing. Now you don't go log the secretariat. I want to collect.
You go beg Wiki and.
You see some things where we know they look so. We just they look only our own, the politicians part, the people who are directly involved, who come there for genuine services, they are going to suffer because. Some politicians no fit settle themselves. And what is this matter? A very simple matter. If you look at for me, it's a very simple matter. Local government chairman, your tenure will expire. Go first. Governor, whenever he conduct election, we all go contest and we all go see drag for inside. But in the meantime, because the question people keep asking, well, you don't ask me reach 3 times here. Now issue of critical committee. Now they fear all of them, both the wicked men. Say once he does put the critical committee, those ones go come strong.
But funny enough, 2 of the people that were in BCA say one lady when they said that they want that guy. They felt to say, see the team don't end, make we go home and the rest. These 2 people, they can't bring them back as critical committees there.
Okay. See those ones now like
loyalty now because they work now. So no be
loyalty.
The selection now wait first now. The way they bring the cup now, longer their merit now. Complex now loyalty. Now, you see the door.
You see, right from time, local government office, chairmanship, and council office, no be merit now. The election now is supposed to be by provision of this constitution. Now, election is supposed to be. Now, where we not do election, what would they always use? Now, loyalty. All the governors, that's what they use.
So, by application on those 2, because they're loyal, that means they bring them back.
Yes.
Okay.
All the states, I know they come out. You know, get the one where they come out for inside because at the CAC and there was for all these sides here where we did. So say they feel they do critical committee before they can't do election. If they don't do critical committee, they'll call them different name. Just whether a PA they call the last one so they put there before they can't do election. Just give them one name as if they go they are houseboy of their governors, individual governor. Because when you appoint person, you don't make that person your houseboy. When wife na local government chairman, be say they elect him, he not be houseboy. He has the people behind him. When
but we see they say this one be like say local government go the governor just conduct election. Now only political party they win. Other people they're not popular. At the end of the day, what is the happen?
That one we know.
That one na election.
We know say over time the governors have made they don't make local government election be like child's play. Because what they do? Now they do over time. They just give themselves 100 over 100. They also don't give themselves 100 over 100. It's unfortunate, but now what did they do? Now, if that 100 over 100 that they give themselves, even inside that 100 over 100, we see they see rebellious local government chairman where they stand up, say, no, I contest election, I win. We even though for a man, you know, say, you know, contest any election, no. Now, by power of some people, now it's entered there. But you go still stand because there was an election. Whether you liked it or not, election was conducted on a particular day. They can swear in based on that election. So, based on that election, you go see, say, your leg goes strong, small, compared to the one where you just appoint. You see the one where you appoint, the problem with that one, that critical committee, governor can wake up tomorrow morning without any notice at all. No House of Assembly, no committee. You will just say, get up for that place. No sit down there again. That is the end. Meanwhile, the one where they do election for, they must look, before they go move on, they will call Attorney General. Attorney General will tell to move this man. And which law we go use? We will go as well. See, they are procedure where they will fair pass to remove the one they elect.
Okay, unlike the other one, just wake up.
Unlike the other one, I say no this procedure.
I see you for my dream.
I see you for my dream. The way you take pass my outside, I not trust you. Or they tell me they see you for my political opponent house. That one I come apart. You just say they see one picture where you say you and my political opponent sit down and they talk. Right. That is all. They don't sack you with that. That's critical. Oh, that's why those critical committee chairmen. They know they go party anyhow. If you like wait until marriage, you invite the call. Then they avoid party publicly because they don't want mistakenly sit down with opponents when they call snap picture. They'll go show their oga because they know say their job is now person that take right time. You can easily clean that come out. You know, be a local government chairman where they elect. Where be say before you tell and say get up, you go check your law where you go call lawyers. They go sit down with you. Una go dey look which book una go
So
use.
that me say all those one be say they come now, they scatter the whole today, they check the law before they do it. Because you make mention of wicked just now, say when they come, they drive the ones they want to be say make you put for office them. Maybe so they be check the law before they remove them. Now you try to talk.
Those ones, so may I tell you when they remove them, so they don't follow law.
Okay.
Just remove why they remove. Those tenure of the Oyo come, Governor Oyo come today. All the board chairmen that were appointed just last week.
Those are appointees now.
No, some of these boards have 4 years tenure.
But wait now, the chairman of a PSC, he get 4 years tenure, 5 years tenure, but they still remove them.
That's what I'm saying. Those boards and commissions that have tenure, they are supposed to run their tenure. Whether a governor comes, a president comes, supposed to allow them run their tenure. But because of the way we they operate here, I tell you before, we they operate sometimes like say law, we will push law, go you go hear person go say, forget law. I don't see how many times. Politician, people in office, big people, they say, so law, which kind of law they? Big man will tell you that a big politician, big person in public office will tell you, say, Trowe law. And that is the law that created that office where you sit down. You say, Moko Trowe, just because you sit down for that office. You forget, say, if you Trowe that law, one day, somebody go a big party will come Trowe your own too. So now that thing, now they happen sometimes where you see, say, they'll just come, they will just set up, they'll say all the commissions, all the board, they don't cancel them. They will not go to court. They will go to court for the next.
But this small time when we say we remain, we'll just open the lines, make it be so you call us. You know the number now, we'll go put up for air, make it be so you see out. But just in case now, 080 77 77 03 00. 080 77 77 03 00. Once you call us, you don't become part of the program. Don't forget, say, they look the matter when we say consign the local government wahala when we say they happen for River State, and I say they look and you don't see. So we define how you want make be say we take do now so the katakata no go stop. So I go say make you call the number 080 77 77 03 00. 080 77 77 03 00. You know, so you need to call out where so people go. No, my brother Andrew Bello, you're welcome again.
Thank you. Get one matter where I leave out that first time when we talk. So
okay.
I want to quickly correct that.
Time not
you know,
too late again.
When we talk just now, I mentioned say former President Obasanjo that time he be one third term. As make I correct that place, say the rumors they say he be one third term. More people talk like that. Okay. Rumors they because there was no official publication, any official statement saying one third term.
Okay.
But rumors for everywhere at that time say one third term. More people live like that saying that rumors. Okay. That matter be. Okay. And to add join this where we they talk, they can say if you allow local governments to go by themselves, they go as to assembly, go they extend their tenure. That is again you are going against the constitution.
But now House of Assembly now do not be local government go extend them.
Now they go meet House of Assembly, they extend.
No, we don't know of that now because you know the way they do them.
Okay, let me put it. Make I put it this way. If you allow any state, because you know, when they look bad, they look good.
Okay.
If you today now for the other side now it be they can take up for another perspective. Say a governor get local government chairman where we say they do yes sir follow and well. They do yes sir, but they want to help the people. They are not good to the people. People no happy. People want them. So the people they pray say make their tenure expire, make they do another election, make they put new people there. That's what the people they pray for. Now those local government chairmen they do well follow their governor. The governor, if you follow this president where these people won't create so, the governor and the House of Assembly they can simply just extend the tenure of that local government for another 3 years if they want. Meanwhile, the people they suffer. So it will not be a good president.
But somebody talks say even the local government what they talk now, say you know even constitutionally, you know they recognize.
No, it is heavily recognized. Like I tell you.
Say they just call a 30 year of government, but not be say this thing recognize like that. Especially when we say even now they fight so make it be say the autonomous, make it get freedom. You do it to your own thing, get financial freedom, get all of this one. Because with the hear that say it's not even they recognized.
Thank you. You see the problem is say that word recognized, no, not being. It is recognized, but you know they're empowered.
Okay.
They're recognized. Section 7 clearly provides that there will be a local government. The states shall ensure that local government have their tenure, democratically elected chairman and all of that. It is provided in Section 7. The only problem where it did be say that provision is too small. It not explain anything. See, for example, for state government now, the independence where state government they enjoy for this country, say feds and no fit come just no president can wake up today now say governor I don't end your tenure I don't scatter on that no go president
or no president fit just come say okay governor we don extend your time
see all those things because they are independently provided for in the constitution. The constitution take time. If you see it spends several chapters and sections providing for the governor who shall be a governor, when he go take fit come in and when he go take end, everything how to take elect and how to take move am, all provided for. House of Assembly, their powers and all is provided for. All those things no dey constitution. E no dey for local government, sorry. E no dey constitution for local government, but e dey for state. E dey for federal. So you see for federal now, the powers and the delineation dey for federal.
How you take divide?
How you take divide that? Where what you fit do, what you no fit do, e dey for federal. E dey. The same thing for state, e dey. But when e come to local government, e just mention say there will be local government, they are guaranteed. E no talk where their powers reach, which powers they fit use. E can't leave the state. If you look at go down, e say na the state go come legislate on the local government. You see, na there problem pass come. Okay. When you can't leave am for the state, say, oh, state, make una dey legislate for them, make una dey now they make law, they decide how they go waka. And I say you don't make the house boy to the state governor. So
that would mean say yes, even the one be say maybe the Attorney General carry go court, Attorney General of the Federation. Yes. For Latif Agbemi carry go court now, say they want go check the OT for Supreme Court. Yes. And the other may if you know hold water. He go hold small, but you know if still hold well because the constitution he no provide for. Okay, because so the only way forward go amend the constitution. To go amend the constitution. All these attempts to use court judgment, it can only give you a little. It can't go far. You've tried to. They've also tried. The former president also tried to use presidential order. I think that presidential order they call executive order. Executive order. It still it not still hold water because these things are not spelled out in the constitution. When you know spell out for the constitution, the way it is spelled, see the local government, state government too, they provide the court where they even decide when they do their election, how they take one. Everything is provided for inside here. The same thing for federal. Why encourage local government? You can't say nah state house of assembly go decide that one. You can't leave out for state house of assembly. Meaning the state house of assembly can decide and undecide. Okay. Now they cause money of the problem. Okay, before I go, let us come on because time not be our friends now. In this wahala where basically say a day for River State, what do you feel say be the way out of this whole thing? Because you agree with me now, say whether we like them or not, the matter, it be like say never ready to stop if they continue like this.
If you ask me now, the matter won't start. Okay. Now it won't start.
So for us, now we'll take end this matter.
The only way to end that, now make the elder statesman Wike, make it do like the way Ababa for you do Shomole, like an elder statesman way be. If Shomole come here today, now people they respect him because he give himself that respect of Baba now I be, I not be picking again. When get where person go reach for community, he go do like say this thing may I live for children.
Don't grow past this
I don't go past this thing. That's why for Shomole enter this state. Now everybody go dey bow for her because he don't respect himself as Papa will be. Make Wike self give himself that respect. Say I don't pass these people. Make I leave this thing for them. Make they do one as the way they take. They make they do one as they day. I don't come up for that place for them. Make him face where he dey as Papa will be now. We cannot be small pikin again for politics. Okay. He don't tear him. He don't enjoy everything that they enjoy politics.
That must say it has stayed.
So he don't reach time when he say we come become elders. If they count elders, does he call us here? Now elder be this. Leave out more for the chief.
Andrew Bello Esquire. Thank you so much when we say you can share with us for this day. And we shall say next time when we say we call you, you will come. So I will see talk many matters because whether we like them or not, that my brother talk and say, and the rule of law now suppose they follow. Say when the law they suspend, I come like say at the same time military, so that be say we they go. If let's say even military said that decree they would they work. Our be say we get law, we don't even the letter they work. But don't be say we just say about anything say yes, say for that matter can say the worst democracy is better than the best military. Thank you so much when we say you come.
Yeah, welcome.
And until next week when we say we will see you again. My name is Thomas Sado. Don't forget now get law for the carry and for that people they help and carry. And good evening.